Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to embed videos in your WordPress site. Fast, simple, and step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for an easier way to manage your videos, this guide has you covered. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress account. Open your preferred web browser, head to your site, and click the login button at the top right. For this tutorial, we'll use the Continue with Google option. Just pick your account and you're in. Quick, easy, and hassle-free. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and find the Edit Site option under the quick links. Click it and you'll enter the site editor where all the magic happens. Now, to add your video, click the plus icon at the top left corner. This lets you add new blocks to your page. In the search bar, type video and select the block labeled exactly that, video. Here's where it gets flexible. You can either upload a video directly from your computer, choose one from your media library, or simply embed it using a link from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. If you want an even quicker method, just drag and drop your video right onto the page. WordPress handles the rest. No complicated code needed. And that's it. Your video is now live on your WordPress site, ready to engage and inform your visitors. Embedding videos has never been easier, and now you have full control over multimedia content without any tech headaches. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial. See you in the next video.